Welcome to another video from Darren Hickey Hornby GWR. This time we are looking at another building from the Skaledale range, and it's what it says here, Victorian end of Terrace house, left end, and you can see clearly Skaledale, Hornby Skaledale. And this product number is R7350. So same on that side. And this is the other things what we are looking at. We did look at that one. So that's the one we are looking at. I think I showed you that one. And those are the other two if you want to complete the whole terrace side. Maybe not, so I'll do that, who knows. But this is the bottom of the box, everything. So I am going to unbox this, get it out. If you do want to get this, I'll put the price on both of these, how much I got it. You could get it a little bit cheaper if Hornby's doing a sale of it, or at your local model shop. It all depends. Right. Seems like I just have to grab the bag because it's not very easy to pull out. As you can see, I'm just fighting with the thing right now, and I do not want to be cutting the video and then coming back. I'm determined to get it out like that. So now that's out of the way, I can get this out as well. I don't know what that is, so we can just ignore it. So you can see this is very nicely detailed. Everything. There's the window, there's the back of the house, as you can see. This will go against that. G's for the polystyrene. The chimney is really nice, as you can see. It's made of glass resin. So this is inside, and this is 3 years old. So when I do my lighting equipment, this is going to be very difficult for me to 100% get my fingers in and put the lighting equipment. Fortunately, I've got some special tools to actually do that, and hopefully it will work. So basically what I was saying in the last video, I've been doing like that, or you can just see where my finger is pointing. Been trying that, been going to a model railway exhibition. If I get anything for my birthday, or if anything new comes up on the Hornby website and it's discounted, I'll try purchase it and do a video of it. Alice on the Palace, Ali Pali. There's a model railway exhibition. If I get anything good there, I will do a review of it and show it to you lot. So all I can say is thank you very much for watching this review. Please subscribe to my channel, please click like and leave your comments below, and please hit the notification bells as well, and give the video a cheeky thumbs up as well. Thank you. Right guys, before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button, and you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.